In Chinese, we use 怎么 to ask how. If we combine 怎么 and 来去, it means to ask, how do you come here? Or how do you go there? With what kind of weights come here or you go there? 你怎么去? How do you go there? 去 away from the position of speaker. For example, A here. A at position 1. A ask B, how do you go to position 2? Go away from position 1. We use 去 position 2. 你怎么去 position 2? 我坐公车去。我坐公车去。坐公车 by bus. Bus 公车 in Chinese. We need add 坐 this verb. 坐公车。坐公车 by this way. 你们怎么来？你们怎么来 ？Come here. 好，我们骑脚踏车来。我们骑脚踏车来。你们怎么来 ？Come. How do you come here? 我们骑脚踏车来。In this situation, this is speaker A, and we know B more than 1. Because A used 你们. Right? So B 我们 right? A use 来 B use 来. It means now A and B at position 1. 来 toward to the speaker. 来 position 1 from position 2. So now A and B, they all at position 1 and then talk at position 1. Repeat after me. 你们怎么来？来。我们骑脚踏车来。来。Okay. Here, 脚踏车 bicycle. Bicycle, we use 骑 this verb. 骑脚踏车。骑脚踏车 你要走路去吗？你要走路去吗？我不要走路去，我要坐捷运去。我不要走路去，我要坐捷运去。In this situation, A and B, they all use 去. It means A and B, they are both at position 1. And they go away,去 position 2. 好，走路 walk, 捷运 MRT or subway. We use 坐 this verb. 坐捷运去。他坐公车到学校去吗？他坐公车到学校去吗？不，他坐计程车到学校去。不，他坐计程车到学校去。In this situation, 坐公车到学校去吗？到 after 到 it is the destination. So in this situation, the position 2 is the destination 学校。Here, A ask B. 他坐公车到学校去吗？ Here, 公车 by bus. We use 坐 this verb. 不，他坐计程车 taxi. We use 坐 this verb. 他坐计程车到学校去。